Okay, so in this question, it's just a by the numbers, just follow the instructions and solve and get the answer kind of question. So just go through it. It says Nisha, who started from her house, she first traveled 8 meters towards the west. Like I told you, the first thing you should do is make your compass rose. So you put down your NEWS. Now you know what's what, right? Let's say this is her house. Okay, let's mark it with this square and a dot. She started from here and she traveled 8 meters towards the west. So let's do that. West is in this direction, 8 meters. Then she turned right. When you're traveling west to your right, this is your right side, that is going to be north, right? So she turned right, which means she started going towards the north, and she traveled 15 meters. So this is now 15 meters in the north direction. So we've reached till here. Then the next thing that is happening is she then traveled 20 meters towards east. So she has come west, then north, now she's going east, so back in this direction. And this is 20 meters in the east direction, and then finally followed by 20 meters to the south. So from this point another 20 meters in the south direction. So this is her whole path. She started from here, went straight, then took a right and came. This is her final point. And the question is really how far is she from her house and in what direction. So once you have this diagram, it should be fairly simple. You can see that this is 8 meters and this is 20 meters, right? So if you subtract, then this amount, this is 20 minus 8, which is 12 meters, right? The net displacement towards this direction is 12 meters. Similarly, this whole thing is 20 meters. From here to here is 20 meters, and this amount is 15 meters. So this remaining from here till here, this is going to be 5 meters, 20 minus 15. So now you have a right triangle. This is the right triangle, 12 meters, 5 meters. So you know that this is the Pythagorean triplet. So automatically the hypotenuse is going to be 13 meters. So this distance, the distance that we are interested in, from her house till the final point, that distance is 13 meters. Moment you've got the distance, you've actually got the answer also, because none of the options have 13 except B. So B is your answer, but you can verify the direction also, northwest. It's not exactly northwest, but it's good enough, it's close enough to northwest. So that is the direction you would ask, or you would say if you were asked which direction it is. But anyway, you can confirm it because of the number 13 which is there in the answer.